Ayan na! Excited na si Dexa! Yeah, this is Heritage Park dito sa Calgary. So, first time din namin pumunta dito. Ayan siya. So,
why the 8 is like now?
Uy, 7 years na tayo dito pero ngayon lang tayo pumunta. So, i-enjoy namin yung araw na to kasi hindi nga namin alam saan ba magpa-park, saan yung entrance. See you!
I don't even know.
Explore with us!
Your beautiful smile, your beautiful life are waiting for you to shine bright. It's never too early or late to start to rise up and shine. Your beautiful smile, your beautiful life are waiting for you to shine bright. It's never too early or late to start to rise up and shine.
So dito yung parking nila sa labas. I don't know kung may ibang parking pa dito kasi may sinasabi eh. Kasi diba magto-Thomas the Train tayo. May sinasabing parking. So I don't know kung saan yun. Dito ba yun? Or may iba? Yan. So, yeah. Tanong tayo. So, Heritage Park here in Calgary.
I think there's stuff closer. Look, people are going ahead.
Tingnan natin. Yeah. Explore natin. Ayan, so dito pala ata. So ayan, maganda na yung paligid ngayon. Ito? Oh, ito dito pala. So mali yung first na stop namin kanina. Ito siya.
Mali means
Oh, ito siguro siya. Oh, yan. Diyan siya yun yung train path niya eh. Trail niya.
I'm going to talk the train. I'm so excited.
Who is excited today?
Me.
Sit down properly. Thank you.
I'll just say my go.
There's a parking sa mga ano na sasakay ng Thomas the Train. There's a designated parking there. Not a Dominion. Who's excited, Dexa?
Me.
Please enter
Okay,
the historical village
today I'm going to Thomas the Train.
and go directly
It's
to
gonna be
Minnesota
super
Station.
exciting, guys.
Wow.
Okay.
So, historical village.
Historical village tayo. So ganito dito sa heritage na to. So malaki nga to. Ayan pa oh. Maraming parking. Yung unang binaba namin
It's
iba pala yun.
1,100,000 people.
Uy, ang ganda pala dito. Ayan.
1,100,000 people. It's 1,100,000 people.
So anong parking, bebe? Pwede naman tayo magtanong kung may makita tayong staff.
1,100,000 people.
Ganda ng
It's a million billion people.
weather din oh. Di ganun
It's a million
kainit, di
billion
ganun kalamig.
people.
Payments now required for parking. As tayo, may mga staff sila.
They
Ayan.
have ice cream here.
You can buy one afterward. Oh yes, you can buy.
No,
You can try. Oh, ang ganda din ng mga building to. Historical ang mga building ah.
I wanna play faster.
Guess drop. Okay, let's ask muna siguro. Dito, oh, sige. Yeah, I will. Dito tayo mag-picture tayo dito, guys. Here. Let's get colorful on the train ride adventure. Thomas and Friends. Ayan. Okay, smile ka muna. Picture kayo dito ang dalawa.
Where my conductor's hat.
Ayan, while waiting. Ayan yung mga girls. Lakad-lakad sa park. It's a nice weather though. Come again?
Just to look around.
Okay, go ahead. While waiting for Dad, I will wait for Daddy here, okay? Enjoy! Careful, guys! Ayan, so ang ganda dito. Ano daw mga bata pupunta daw sa toy shop. Tagal naman ni Daddy nila magpa-park siya eh. So it's not yet open? It's still closed? Okay. Dexa, you can take a photo in there, guys. Ang ganda ng view. Ayan, dito yung admission nyo. Ang ganda din pala dito, oh.
What's this?
Yan, oh.
What's inside the box?
What box? You can sit down if you like. Yeah. So, maghihintay kami 1 hour. Ah? Maghihintay. Passes are not valid for entry or admission discount. Wala naman akong discount eh.
No, what I mean, the Thomas train ticket. It's not valid for the Eurovision.
Okay, let's ask, okay?
Ice cream.
Oh, really? Oh, okay. So, dito yung admission. Pero kami nga nag online booking ako. So, ito. Prinint ko siya. Pero pwede naman siya sa mobile. I have it on my mobile too. Oh, careful, baby, kasi malipad. Ate can do that. So, ang ganda pala dito kasi may mga ganito din sila. Magaganda yung mga buildings. Hi! Yeah, we're vlogging! Sorry! Okay. Okay, excited? So, we will get our ticket.
There you go.
Yeah, please.
So, this house, that white house on top of the hill, to the left. And then right behind it,
Okay.
there's the train station.
Excited! Excited! Okay, thank you so much! Okay, let's go! So, we will walk. Okay, so we're done with this one. So, in-scan to. Pwede naman din may run sa phone ko kasi in-email nila to. So, ang ganda ng area na to din. You can hear that? Thomas! Yeah. There's Thomas! Okay. Entrance. So, ano to, Dexy? Pwede tayong pumunta dyan, ganon? Okay. So, after na lang? So, after na lang, kung gusto mo? Okay. Talagang ano pala dito. No? Na-expose ko talaga sa sun. Ayan. Yeah, they do boating here. So, parang tabi siya ng lake. Ayan, may windmill dun sa taas. Oh, there's a house again. Nice house.
That's a real house?
Yes. It's a real house.
Have you noticed
Mm.
progressive time backwards?
Mm-hmm.
Earlier
Wow.
and before that was 1925 and now it's
And then, eto na yung mga bahay na medyo ano na. Kasi yun ata yung unang bahay na maliit, no? A famous 5. Ayan. The famous 5 Center of Canadian Woman was built to commemorate the achievement of 5 courageous legal quality for Canadian women. Ah, okay. So, ito yun. Parang office nila. Oh. Oh! You wish you live there? It's a big house though. I think hindi ano sa ano guest. Yeah, parang hindi pwedeng masukin. Hindi ata siya. Laki din ano, ang ganda din ng bahay, no? Ang dami niyang ano sa labas. Yung parang entertainment area. So dito na kami. Ayan. So dito kami ata sasakay. So ang time natin is 1 PM. So dito yung train. Uy, malaki pa to. Diyan pa lahat. You can go there. So, iwanan yan eh. Hindi pwede yan sa train. Yeah, hindi pwede sa train.
before. Ours is 11.
I think we're one. Ang ticket natin, di ba one?
For the back of the train, which is already
Oh, there's the Thomas! Dexa! There's Thomas!
Yeah, I know, but the back line is full, and there's two more lineups up
It
there.
sounds scary. Like is it?
Okay, we will go there if it's time for us to go there, okay? Hi. It's so much fun. Dexa. Meron silang railway station here. Pwede atang puntahan din yun, no? Start. Yeah. What do you like? Want to go there? Okay. Okay. Put your hat. This one is parang restaurant taxi, no? Taxi. Gift shop lang siya. Kala ko restaurant. Okay. Wow! Nice! Take a picture ka, gusto mo? Hmm? Here too, Dexa. Take a picture ka here. Okay. Okay, hold this. Dexa, here. Here ka. Okay, smile. Put that one and then hold it. Put and then hold. Smile. Here. Other one. Okay. Oh, it's like a popsicle. Oh, you're inside now. Let's go inside. Let's go. Oh, that's an entertainment stage. Yeah. Oh, okay, can sit down. Ay, mag-register pa tayo.
One of my songs. This song, you have to follow me. Who's played Simon Says before? Simon Says, okay, watch this. Hands on top, does that mean stop? Copy me. Hands in the air, comb your hair. I don't have any hair. Listen to me. Okay, watch this. Hands on top, does that mean stop? Copy me. Hands in the air. Comb your hair. I don't have any hair. Listen to me. Tap your knee. That's right, girls. Don't be weird. Stroke your beard. You guys don't have beard. One more time. Hands on top. That means stop. Hands in the air.
Yeah.
Hold your that's right, girls. Listen to me. Tap your knee. Don't be rude. Stroke your feet. That'd be crazy dance.
Yes, Ma.
Yeah, I know. Can you please hold this? Put this one up. Okay. Diyan na ba yung line natin? Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see kung ano yung line. Okay, let's go. Let's ask about that 1 p.m. Okay? Okay. Hi, ate. There. Can you see that?
Yeah, wave your hands, Dexa. Wave your hands.
This is the seats they're telling us about sa kaya.
Oo, dito tayo, di ba?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, maganda yung dito tayo. Pero nauna naman tayo, so we go to the first.
Unlike ganito kasi these are sideways.
Oh, yes.
See?
Ito naman open lang sila. Ito lang makikita mo. So, maganda nga din doon. Do you think so? Or do you want sa back? Ganito yung pag bumaba na. Yan na yung mga tao din. So, next na yung time namin is 1 p.m. Are you excited, Dexa? Dexa, stand up! Stand up! Pagod na siya sa kakatayo. So, yan. Ang dami din. So, every 30 minutes tong ganito nila. Where's Dexa?
You guys are gonna go through this.
Okay, let's go. All aboard! Okay, sure. Departure! And hi! Okay, Dexy, go, baby. Okay. Okay, so yan. Hi! Thank you! Okay. Let's go. Oh, ano pala to? Ganito siya. So, gusto niyo yung paganyan tayo? Okay. Or dito kami ni Dexa, ganon. Para isang ganon tayo. O, pangit. So, tingnan niyo. Hmm? Oo. Here, you can go there. You can go here. Okay. Hindi kasi pareho lang naman. Isang ano.
I thought it was in that side.
You want it the same. Ayan ang train. Oh yes, after their ride, we can do picnics. Yeah. I know. They say bye-bye. Ayan. So, enjoy guys. What? Yes. We can sit down first, drink the water, eat the fruits that we have, buy ice cream. Ice cream. Lumaki ang mata ni ate mo sa ice cream. Enjoy the ride.
It's a Thomas the Train ride certificate. Fun. Show your mom. Smile.
Thank you.
Wow.
That's a sticker.
What's this one?
Sticker. You give to ate muna para itago mo. Yeah, I know. Oh, there. There na.
See the smoke?
Ooh, there's a smoke. Oh, wow. Oh, ay, ang ganda pala dito. It's nice. It's a nice place. Wow. Nice pala yun.
Oh my. It's really fun. What do you think, Dexa? Dexa, what do you think? Wolves? No, not Foxes? Hyenas? Remember that we talking about when we went to that place with Jojo and Lucinda? Yeah, hyenas. Huh? Wolves, foxes, hyenas, coyotes? I don't know. Maybe. Baka mag-book ako dito para kayo dito kasi oh, there's people waving. Yeah, you can go to eat.
Well, twice and then have a pool.
Malayo na ata. Para siya nakikita ko sa...
Please go there.
May certificate.
You're waving at them? Oh, look at this. We'll be able to walk here.
Sarap sa pagkakapon. Certificate nito. Okay. Bye!
You're waving at them?
There's a horse!
Oh, there's a dinosaur here.
kaninang mag-video pero ngayon makakapag-video na. Ayan. Si Dexy kasi nandito kanina. Andun na siya sa kabila. Kanina may miss kanina ah. So ito ang train. Ayan. So, nakikita dito. Ayan. Sige, you can go. You remove your shoes if you want. Ayan si ate dun oh. Hi ate! Nag-enjoy si ate. So, ito pala yung heritage na to. Malaking area na i-explore. Masarap siya pagka hapon eh. Lalakad-lakad ka lang. Papakita din tong mga old na mga train noon. Maybe that's what it called heritage. Nasaan yung miss kanina? May miss kanina. Tapos na. Matulog na tatay niyo. Ayan, naka-video siya. Oh. Tulog na. Ayan na, natulog na siya. Tang tarang tang. Careful! O ito, marami activity yung mga bata dito. Enjoy! Oh, what's that? Say, wave your hand! Yan! Ito din no, pwede din mga bata pag open siya oh. Sarap siguro dito. Popo, jaga jaga chuchu. Yan inom. Ganda. So you want us saan banda pupunta mamaya? May mga ice cream ako nakita silang binibenta. Okay. Okay, thanks. What? Mamaya yung shoes mo nandyan. Oh, I saw a bear there. Oh my God, there's a bear. Get your slippers. Uy, ang ganda nun oh. May boat doon no, may house ka. Ayun. A train. There's a train. The old train. Wow. Wow. I love that. Water. Yan na. Oh. So, ang sarap dito. Oh. Parang may wind. Okay na, there. Tingnan mo yan na. Wow. Oh. Hi. Say hi. Oh, yan yung windmill. Lexi, there's the windmill here. Yan yung windmill. Okay. So I think one more. Okay. Say bye. Say bye to everybody. Yeah.
Last na ata to, right?
Yeah.
One more.
One more. One more. Yan, so dito yung start ng pag-iikot nyo. Okay. Yeah, you know. And enjoy.
Unhold it then.
No, it's okay. Yeah. Say bye-bye to them. Bye-bye to them. It's okay, Dexa. No. I'm now taking a video.
Next na.
Daddy. Daddy. Okay, you video that one then. Video. Okay, magsalita ka din. Magsalita ka.
Okay, so guys, this is a big field. Look at this. Look at this big field.
Okay, I will let
It has
this one
flowers
stand.
in it.
Okay, mag-stand siya. Okay, talk ka para you can inform them. Okay?
And there's a tree.
Okay, that one.
And
It's
so
better.
much.
Oh, hold me.
And there's a house. There's a house. You see, nobody eating breakfast, but there's plates. Why? How did they put plates? Why? Oh, and there's a big tent.
Just tell them what you're saying in your vlog. about?
These are the cheese and flowers.
You're like talking to your classmates.
Like,
Don't move. Just hold the feet. Okay, go. Go ahead.
and these sorts of branches and pathways and this is just okay. Look at everything. The tree branches looks like some of the tree branches look brown and they died. Like that one.
Okay, stay there. Okay. Then just stop. Tell them
And
what
this
you see there.
that. Look, this is a duck that looks like tree branches on the house. If you see it, comment down below. Dexter and Dexter Funny Games and subscribe to see my videos of that. And some branches and an old train. Does it still work? I don't know. Yeah, and there's lots of branches and stuff. You can just enjoy nature. These are flowers. Ooh, these flowers. There's lots of flowers. And there's a ceiling. And there's flags on the grass. If you see it, like and subscribe and hit the bell button. And hit the bell button. Great.
Alex, can you see in the
Oh,
view?
I see flowers. And these are the flowers. And lots of branches that fall. I'm going to go to the playground soon. Can we go to the playground soon? And when that is...
Kingsman Railway Playground. Move the camera, just steady.
And there's a playground. Lots of kids playing there.
Namin ito na move the camera. Just make it steady and then just inform them what you can see on the view.
Do you see the house, guys?
Pupunta yan dyan. Okay, talk ka na.
See the house? That house is giant. It's a house. I think it's a his house. You can just like look at the view for a second. You just look at the view, guys.
Don't move. Just
Hi. Say hi if you want to. Look at the view, guys. I'm gonna give you time to look at the view, guys.
wow. That's a nice view. It's a lake view.
We already saw the broken train, right?
Yeah. This is our third time. Okay. There's a water.
So tired.
Okay. Sit down ka lang. This is the third one.
Like and subscribe to see my Dexter and Dexter Fun and Games
Say bye.
Gray.
There. Malapit na tayo. Ito na yung ano.
This is the last one.
Yes.
So tired. These are things.
Yeah. We'll get our things. We'll eat first.
Eat first and then play.
Yes. Okay, we're done. I think so. Ang dami pa.
Bye guys.
I think sila Jada lang next. 2 p.m. Okay, say bye to everybody.
Baby shark, baby shark, baby shark.
Okay.
Daddy shark, daddy shark.
Okay.
Bye guys.
That's all sa train ride namin. Okay, come here na. Yeah, I know. Yeah. Dexa, are you happy? Okay. Okay, smile. Smile. Okay, let's go. Okay. Okay, go to ate. Go to ate first. So, ganito yung train. Ganda yung train namin na to kasi pwede mong pagharapin yung upuan. Ayan. So, ito, maganda din ito nagkaharap. Ayan. Okay. Careful. Nagpapapicture kung gusto mo, it's $22 siya. Ayan. So, pinapaano na lang namin si Dexa dito.